welcome back to Clapingo channel. If your goal for 2023 is to speak English fluently and with confidence, you're in the right place. Today, we've got 5 easy steps that will help boost your confidence and you'll be speaking like a pro in no time. Step 1. Set clear goals. Knowing what you want to achieve is the key. Ask yourself, why do you want to speak English fluently? Maybe it's for work or making new friends. Setting clear goals gives you direction. Step 2. Regular practice. Practice makes perfect, right? Well, in this case, it's practice that builds confidence. Spend at least 15 minutes a day speaking English. Apps like Clapingo offer convenient one-on-one sessions with expert tutors. Step 3. Embrace mistakes. Don't fear making errors. They are your stepping stones to fluency. Learn from them and keep going. Remember, every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Step 4. Expand your vocabulary. A rich vocabulary boosts confidence. Learn new words every day. Watch English movies, series, and use vocabulary apps. The more words you know, the more fluently and confidently you can express yourself. Step 5. Engage in conversations. Put your skills to test. Join conversation clubs, chat with native speakers, or participate in language exchange programs. Real conversations build confidence like nothing else. So, there you have it. 5 easy steps to boost your confidence in 2023. Always remember, confidence comes with practicing and learning from your journey. Until next time, keep speaking and keep learning with Clapingo. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you are looking for expert guidance where you can practice one-on-one, don't forget to check out our website. Our demo starts at just ₹99. Happy learning!